Hello and welcome back. We were writing our first program in Python. We talked about arithmetic operations, and now let's talk a little bit about values and types. Let me put this into in progress and go to JupyterLab. I want this cell to be markdown cell. It's code currently, as you see. So I can come here and select markdown, or I can press, while I'm not in the cell, I can press M. M for markdown. So it's not markdown cell now. So, and I will put double number symbols to change this into heading. And now I will write as values and types. If I run this, now it's subheading for me. So what are values and what are types? Let me again press on M and make this markdown and write values in double asterisks to make it bold. As you see, it's bold now. Values are anything in the program, which holds meaning. Namely, they compose program memory, which we call state. Program memory, in other words, state. So values are anything, any type of data structure which holds meaning, which by meaning we mean data, of course, which holds data, which is meaning for us, and the values compose your program's memory. So that's the value. Let's see what is type. Type is the format of that value or meaning or the memory, let's say. The format you keep your data is called the type. So two very important words, very important terms. First is value. Value is anything that keep meaning for you in your program. Type is the format of that meaning. Let's start. Let me write hello world. This is a value. This is a value. If I run this, Python JupyterLab will print this out, but this is a value. It keeps some letters for me in a string format. Its type is string. Now we will see its type. Let me do another example. I write 2. Again, this is a value. It's a meaning for me, and in the program it holds some data. It's 2. So now let's see its type. If you write type function, it's a default built-in Python function. If you write type, and in type, let me put this hello world here. Now I see print me the type. It says it's string. So the value is hello world. Its type is string. Let us do it for 2 also, for number 2. If you run this code, it will say it's int. So its type is int. Another example, let's see type of 4.6. It says it's float. So the point I want to clear is anything you see as a value, anything you see holding data is a value, and the type is how the program in the memory, how your computer holds this data is its type. Okay, and we will see all these built-in types in Python: strings, int, float. For the time being, just keep in mind that the type function gives you the type of that value, whatever it is. It's okay for now. Let's go with the next one.